Hello everyone and welcome to the Thastu ICS. My name is Trija Garg and I am your economy faculty. Today we will be learning a very important concept which UPSC has also asked before, okay? Opportunity cost. Let us try and understand the term. When I say opportunity, I am talking about something that is giving me a benefit. When I say that, this is an opportunity for me, ये मेरे लिए opportunity है, तो मतलब कुछ तो benefit मुझे मिलने वाला है. There will be a benefit that I might get in the future if I get that opportunity, right? So opportunity here will give you a certain benefit. Then the cost here is the value. The value, right? Something that you are incurring, कुछ तो आपको भारी पड़ रहा है, that is something that you are incurring, so that is the value. So opportunity cost can be the value of benefit. Now, when I say value of benefit, basically it is the value of the benefit of the next best alternative you are foregoing. It means that basically what is happening here is that, for example, every day in life you will have two options. Every option will have a certain kind of benefit involved, right? Certain kind of benefit involved. Now, if you choose option B, then you are letting go. You are letting go the benefit of option A that you could have been gotten, right? And if you choose option A, then the benefit is of B you are letting go. So choosing option B is costing you the benefit of option A that you could have gotten. अगर आप ऑप्शन बी चूज कर रहे हो तो आप जो बेनिफिट आपको ए से मिल सकता था आप वो छोड़ रहे हो. तो बी को चूज करने की अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट क्या हुई? ए का जो बेनिफिट आपने जाने दिया. Similarly, if we choose option A, then what is the opportunity cost of A? Choosing option A. The benefit of B that you are letting go, because that is something you could have gotten if you didn't choose option A. Okay, so this is the opportunity cost. Now let us understand using two examples. Let's say there is an aspirant Raj and Raj says he has 1 hour. This 1 hour is the resource. Now in 1 hour either he can study or he can party with friends. If he studies, he will gain chapter 1. Okay, this will be the benefit. If he parties, he will gain leisure time with friends. Let's say Raj chose option A, that is to study. So what is the cost of studying? The leisure time that he could have gotten with his friends, that is the opportunity cost of studying. B, if he chose to party, then what is the opportunity cost here? 1, the money that he will be spending, and 2, because he could have saved that money, right? So the money he could have been spending and chapter 1 that he could have completed. So this will be the opportunity cost of B. Now why does an opportunity cost arises? Because resources are scarce. Resources are scarce. In this case, the resource is the time. Time leads to the resource, scarce resource leads to the problem of choice. And to make a choice, an opportunity cost is involved. So be it the government, be it the individual, be it any firm, be it any household or a family, opportunity costs are involved whenever you are making a choice. Why this choice arises? Because of the scarcity of the resource. If there is 1,000 rupees, then there will be alternative uses to use those 1,000 rupees. Again, the choice will come, again the opportunity cost will come, and based on the best decision, based on the best benefit, as per your need and requirement, you will make one, and the opportunity cost will be not choosing the second option. Similarly, if you have time, again, time is also scarce. You have just limited number of hours in a day. So similarly, problem of choice arises. Again, the concept of opportunity cost. So as an aspirant, as you all just think today that what decision you made today based on an opportunity cost, because there must be a decision where you chose something else and you let go of a benefit of the next best alternative. Okay everyone, thank you so much and have a nice day.